What up? It is 12:07 right now. Pretty busy day at the shop. We've been going strong. We are short 2 barbers, so it's not too bad. Today we got parties at the house, birthday parties for my nephew and niece, so got a lot of things to do when I get out of work. So right now I'm just gonna go get some change and then get back to work, and just slow down right now quite a bit, so I don't think it's gonna get too busy for the rest of the day. So we got this party, and then tomorrow I'm taking the day off from the barbershop. I'm actually gonna go help my mother, and we're going to a different swap meet tomorrow. We're going to the Pomona car swap meet, so it's a big swap meet, so we're gonna go over there and just help her out and take the day off from the barbershop. I'm gonna be selling some of my stuff, so I'll take you guys along with me, and I'll let you guys see what I'm gonna be selling. I'm gonna sell some of my drones that I have and bobbleheads and stuff that I have at the shop. So I'll get back with you guys and show you guys what's up. All right, later. This little girl right here, say hi guys. Hi. Say hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
That is my goddaughter. She is beautiful, she is happy, and she is my baby. Yeah. I just wanted everybody to know, alright? You're in my vlog now, see? She wanted to be on my vlog. I am now. Say hi.
Like a truck.
We had to bring the party inside because it's been raining. We got to bring the party inside. ¿Cómo está, tío? ¿Cómo está, tío? Bien, bien. Qué bueno.
You want to do the piods in a little bit?
Yeah, I think we should do them now.
That way
before it gets any later.
Yeah, and it works.
Huh? Hi.
Vlogging.
Just like, yeah. Where's the birthday girl at? We're doing it in the front yard. Careful with the birthday girl. Careful with the birthday girl. What's up, baby Ron? Hi, birthday girl. Why? What? You're crying for the vlog? Oh. You're okay. You're okay. Shake it off. Shake it off. It's your birthday. No crying on your birthday. Okay? So, Ron. Is it your birthday today, boy? Yeah. Give me a 5-5. Happy birthday, bud. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I mean, you're supposed to say happy birthday to me. This is my baby right here. We're right here at the party, hanging out with the fams. Pretty ugly day. I'll show you guys what the day looks like. Look at this.
It looks like it's gonna rain again.
It looks like it's gonna rain again, so we made the best of it. We're having the birthday party in the front yard like the paisas do. We usually do it in the backyard, but the backyard got kind of rained out, really muddy back there. So we're just hanging out right here and making
it's good though.
Yeah, it's good. We're having a good time. Everybody's having a great time. Bella, you having a good time? It's your birthday, right? Say hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
All right. Hit it 2 hands. Hit it hard, Ron. Hit it with 2 hands. Hard, boy. Hard. Hit it hard, Ron. Hit it. Come on, hard, Ron. Hit it hard. Destroy it.
There's candy in there. Get it.
Get it, Mio. Get it. Get it, Baba. Get it, boy. Get it. Oh, let's see what you got. Let's see some of that baseball skills.
Look over here, say cheese. Okay.
All right, go. Ooh. Oh, left-handed. Oh, left-handed. Oh, get it, Bella. Get it. Get it, Bella. Whoa. Get it, Bella. Get it. Look at it. Look at the intensity in the eyes. Look at it. Oh, get it. Look at the intensity in your eyes. Oh, get it, Bella. Get it. Get it, Mama. Get it. Get it, Bella. Get it. Get that left swing in there, girl. Get it. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh, oh! Got you in the head. Ah, get it. Whoa.
Once you're done, you can go again.
You're gonna go again, Mama. You're gonna go again right now. Go, Bella. Go, Mia. Get it, Mia. Get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nadia, get it, Nadia. Get it, Nadia. Destroy it, Nadia. This is on the vlog, there. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Nadia wanted to be on the vlog so bad. Do it for the vlog. Ooh, it'll look good on the vlog. Come on, Nadia. Come on. Oh. Oh.
Go, baby, go.
Go, Bells, go. Bells, get it. Bells, get it. Oh. Ooh, she knocked one of the legs off. Get it, Bells. Get it, Bells. Get it. It's your birthday, girl. Get it. Headbutt it. Oh. Get it, girl. A 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella and Ron. Happy birthday to you and many more. Blow it, blow it, blow it. Yeah. Blow it, Ron. Blow it, baby, Ron, blow it. Yeah. High five, Ron, Bella, high five.
Take a picture for Grandpa.
Yeah. Pinche cerveza cagada tienen ahorita. What's going on here? Proving something shit. What the hell? This is late night tacos?
A long day.
Good?
Show it to Grandma.
What is
It's
it?
so
A print?
cute.
Oh, Power Rangers!
What?
What else? What else? Let me see. What else is that?
Yeah, she's not very fond of clothes, guys.
More slime.
Oh, this is from the animal hospital. Okay.
Great. You guys want to watch it? Okay.
Bring me back. Are you wearing lobster?
Oh, cool.
Why?
Thank you.
What? What is it?
What else?
Sorry.
A panda monkey.
A what?
It's a unicorn one. Oh.
Oh.
You got it, babe? She's like, yeah, no, I don't
Yeah, I
want
got
it.
Say thank you.
Who's that from?
Look, Bella, look over here.
Let's see. Show. Let's see. Show Grandpa.
Woo!
Say thank you.
Is that what you wanted, mamas? Yeah. All right. Yes. Grandpa came through then.
Sticks to your finger?
Yeah,
Like it holds it.
it like Sophia, she's supposed to put it to sleep and like, I don't know, it does a whole bunch of things.
A monkey.
Let's see what else. Okay, let's see. Let's turn it off. Let's put her to sleep.
They're actually really cute.
Let's see. Let's put her to sleep.
Well, I don't know, but
Sleep and see what else.
they're cute.
Do you want to put else on?
Bella, how old are you today? No. What's the number? How old are you? No, give me the number. What's that number?
4.
Really? 5.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lil. Speech. Happy birthday, Mia.
Different faces.
Your cousin did it for you.
Yeah.
Hey, I almost forgot. Almost.
Whoa, wait.